Welcome to my channel, Car Enthusiasts. Today, we're going to take a look at one of the most fascinating stories in the automotive industry, the rise of Tesla. The company started with a simple idea of creating an electric car that could compete with gasoline-powered vehicles and ended up revolutionizing the entire industry. In 2003, a group of engineers and entrepreneurs set out to create something that had never been done before, a fully electric car that could compete with gasoline-powered vehicles. They founded Tesla to produce high-performance, long-range electric cars that would appeal to a wide range of buyers. It wasn't easy. Tesla faced significant challenges, including a lack of government support for electric vehicles and a lack of infrastructure to support them. Charging stations were scarce, and the range of electric cars at the time was limited. But the team at Tesla was determined to make it happen. Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk, has been a major driving force behind the company's success. He's a visionary entrepreneur who has always been interested in sustainable energy and transportation. He's been known for his ambitious goals, and he's been working hard to achieve them. One of the most notable aspects of Tesla's rise is its focus on developing advanced technology. The company has been at the forefront of several key technological innovations, including the use of lithium-ion batteries and the development of self-driving technology. They also disrupted the traditional car sales model by selling their cars online and through their own showrooms, cutting out the middleman, and saving money on dealership costs. Tesla's impact on the industry is undeniable. They have made electric cars more accessible, more efficient, and more affordable. They have also developed a comprehensive ecosystem of charging stations, home batteries, and solar products to support their cars. And all this has been done with the goal of reducing our dependence on fossil fuels and fighting climate change. Tesla's innovations have not been limited to just the cars themselves. They have also been pushing the boundaries in renewable energy production and storage. Their Gigafactory, for example, is the largest lithium-ion battery factory in the world, and it's not only used to produce batteries for their cars, but also for energy storage systems for homes and businesses. As Tesla continues to evolve and expand its product line, it's clear that the company is here to stay. From the Model S, to the Model 3, to the Model Y and the Cybertruck, they continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with electric vehicles. And with the company's recent entry into the semi-truck market, it's clear that Tesla's impact on the transportation industry is only just beginning. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the rise of Tesla and the impact it's had on the automotive industry. Remember to like and subscribe for more interesting stories in the car industry.